Hi everybody, I'm John.
And I'm Sherry.
Right here at John Howerton Honda in Beckley.
Stop by and take a look at the 2015 Impreza. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 125,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, premium wheels, alloy wheels, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, anti-lock braking system, fog lights, power brakes, driver's side remote mirror. Inside you'll find backup camera, heated seats, airbags, driver, knee, steering wheel, audio controls, premium sound system, MP3 player, cruise control, power outlets, child safety locks, multifunction display. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.
Hi everyone, I'm John Howerton with John Howerton Honda right here in Beckley. I feel so blessed with all the great folks I've met. And you know, a dealer will come along every once in a while and beat our price or payment by just a teeny little bit. But you know what? They'll never beat our people here and our willingness to help you before and after the sale. Because here at John Howerton Honda, it's all about relationships.
Hey, John.
Hey, Pete. I'll be with you in a second. Sorry, I got to go. I want my cup of coffee. Hey, come see us.